Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get stock data from Yahoo Finance. First, navigate to the Yahoo Finance website using your preferred web browser. This platform offers a wealth of financial information, including real-time quotes, historical data, and company profiles. It's a fantastic free resource for investors and researchers alike. We'll walk through the simple steps to find and download the specific stock data you need for your analysis, making it easy to track market performance. Once on the Yahoo Finance homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the ticker symbol or company name for the stock you are interested in, for example, Apple for Apple Inc. After pressing enter, you will be directed to the stock's dedicated page. Here, you'll find an overview of its current performance, news, and various data points. Look for the Historical Data tab to proceed with downloading past information. On the Historical Data tab, you'll see options to customize your data download. First, specify the time period you wish to cover, perhaps the last 5 years or a custom date range. Next, select the frequency of the data points. Common choices include daily, weekly, or monthly. After making your selections, simply click the Download button. This action will generate a CSV file containing all the historical stock data you requested, ready for your analysis. The downloaded CSV file can be easily opened with any spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find columns detailing the date, opening price, highest price, lowest price, closing price, adjusted close, and trading volume for each period. This rich dataset is perfect for conducting your own technical analysis, creating custom charts, or backtesting various trading strategies. It provides a solid foundation for informed investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.